Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Marginal. Marginal means relating to margin. For example, marginal notes. Marginal notes.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. For one thing, all my marginal notes are missing. Now, repeat after me. For one thing, all my marginal notes are missing. The second exemplar. Not all annotations and marginal notes were politically motivated or denominationally influenced. Now, repeat after me. Not all annotations and marginal notes were politically motivated or denominationally influenced. The third exemplar. A marginal inscription notes that Captain Cook first sighted the southeastern corner, where settlement began. Now, repeat after me. A marginal inscription notes that Captain Cook first sighted the southeastern corner, where settlement began.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
English actually originates from what is now called Northwest Germany and the Netherlands.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.